In the course, we kind of touch on doing freehand composites without stents. Most of the cases would have been treated using a palatal index, and we also touch up on the fully index guided techniques. But the course is really focused on trying to develop your freehand bonding and your palatal index guided restorations, because that's where the artistry is kind of needed. I'm a strong believer in one, developing their hand skills, because as a dentist, it's not just a science, that there is an art and an element of carpentry involved. And we've got to be able to develop our hands to be able to manipulate the material and work with it in such a way. And that's not just with composite work, that's with indirect work, fixed and removable prosto, implant work. You really have to develop your skills and not just rely on stents, because when things go wrong, there's only one thing that's going to get you out of trouble, and that's these.